Orangutan. Orangutans have long arms and reddish hair. They live in rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. They build nests in trees to sleep at night. Baboon. Baboons have dog-like faces and live in troops. They live in African savannas and rocky areas. They are clever and can be quite playful. Lemur. Lemurs have large eyes and long tails. They live only in Madagascar. They are active in trees and often leap from branch to branch. Meerkat. Meerkats are small animals that stand upright. They live in deserts of southern Africa. They watch for danger together in groups. Hyena. Hyenas have strong jaws and laugh-like calls. They live in African grasslands. They are skilled hunters and scavengers. Red fox. Red foxes have orange-red fur and bushy tails. They live in forests, grasslands, and even near cities. They are clever and hunt small animals. Arctic fox. Arctic foxes have thick white fur in winter. They live in the Arctic tundra. In summer, their fur changes brown to blend with the land. Wolf. Wolves have gray or white fur and live in packs. They live in forests and tundras in many countries. They hunt together and care for each other. Coyote. Coyotes look like small wolves with pointed ears. They live in North America. They are very smart and can live near people. Raccoon. Raccoons have gray fur and black masks around their eyes. They live in forests and towns in North America. They use their paws like hands to grab food. Skunk. Skunks have black fur with white stripes. They live in North and South America. They spray a smelly liquid to scare away enemies. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs have tiny bodies covered with sharp spines. They live in Europe, Asia, and Africa. When scared, they curl into a ball. Porcupine. Porcupines have long quills on their backs. They live in forests and deserts. The quills protect them from predators. Giant anteater. Giant anteaters have long noses and tongues. They live in Central and South America. They eat ants and termites using sticky tongues. Armadillo. Armadillos have hard armor-like shells. They live in the Americas. Some can roll into a ball to stay safe. Camel. Camels have humps on their backs. They live in deserts of Africa and Asia. They store fat in their humps to survive without food and water. Dromedary camel. Dromedary camels have one hump. They live in hot deserts. They can walk long distances in the sand. Bactrian camel. Bactrian camels have two humps. They live in cold deserts of Asia. Their thick fur keeps them warm in winter. Llama. Llamas have long necks and soft wool. They live in the Andes Mountains of South America. People use them to carry loads. Alpaca. Alpacas are smaller than llamas. They also live in the Andes. Their wool is very soft and used for clothing.